Now the topic reproduction in plants, higher and lower plants. Now the subtopic development of embryo, and I am going to explain about development of embryo. We have already studied about the development of endosperm, and now these two process, development of embryo as well as endosperm, takes place simultaneously. So after the primary endospermic nucleus, now the endosperm, which divides and to produce some mass of the cell, and after which now the development of embryo start. Now here, so first cell of this, you know that the zygote, in general term, the zygote that is converted into the embryo. Now the zygote also form a wall around the cell that is known as a oospore. And now this oospore is converted into the embryo. This process which is known as embryogenesis. The development of the embryo is developed from the oospore or the zygote, that is known as embryogenesis. From this zygote up to the development of embryo, before the formation of organ, that is known as a pro-embryo. Pro-embryo म्हणजे immature embryo. जोपर्यंत ऑर्गन्स त्याच्यामध्ये प्रोड्यूस होणार नाही तोपर्यंतची इथपर्यंतची जी स्टेज आहे, सो इट इज नोन ॲज दिस pro-embryo. Now here in the development of embryo, so first about this zygote. This is the zygote now which form the wall around it, so that is known as a oospore, which divides transversely and to produce the two cells here. The one cells, it is known as a embryonal cell, which is also known as a apical cell, and suspensor initial, which is also known as a basal cell. Now this suspensor initial, which is present at the micropylar end and which also the present at the chalajal end. So here in this embryonal initial and suspensor initial, let us see. Now this suspensor initial, and here now one of the labeling is also the here present here. It is known as a embryo sac membrane because this process takes place in the embryo cell. जे कोणत्या सेलमध्ये होते, कुठे होते, झायगोटमध्ये होते, झायगोट दॅट इज कन्व्हर्टेड इनटू द एम्ब्रियो, पण ही सगळी प्रोसेस कुठे होते, नाव द एम्ब्रियो सॅक. म्हणून इथे थोडंसं असं स्ट्रक्चर दिलेलं आहे, इट इज नोन एज अ एम्ब्रियो सॅक मेम्ब्रेन. त्याच्यानंतर आपण पाहणार आहोत सस्पेन्सर इनिशियल. ही जी सेल आहे सस्पेन्सर इनिशियल, जी की चलाजल एंडमध्ये प्रेझेंट आहे, and it is also known as a basal cell. So this cell divide transversely and to form a row of cells. Divide transversely and to form the row of cell. So at this structure, it is also known as a one cell. It becomes more swollen also. So this is known as a hustorium. It helps in pushing the embryo towards the endosperm. सस्पेन्सरचं काय फंक्शन आहे की सस्पेन्सर काय करतं की एम्ब्रियोला एंडोस्पर्म मध्ये पुश करतं फॉर अ न्यूट्रिशन, because of this endosperm provide the nutrition to the developing embryo. So here त्याच्यानंतर ही जी हुस्टोरियम सेल आहे जी की स्कोलन आहे, आणि त्याच्यानंतरच्या या ज्या सेल्स आहेत त्याच्यानंतर ही जी एक इनिशियल basal cell आहे, it is known as a hypophysis, which also the take part in the formation of the some organ in the embryo. So now here आता त्याच्यानंतर आपण हे बघितलं की सस्पेन्सर सेल मध्ये काय डिव्हिजन होते आणि काय फॉर्मेशन होतं, एक सस्पेन्सर फॉर्मेशन होतं. त्याच्यानंतर आपण पाहणार आहोत एम्ब्रियोनल इनिशियल. Now this embryonal initial which also the divides and to produce by successive division, by 3 successive mitotically division which produces the octant. म्हणजे इथे बरेच डेव्हलपमेंटल प्रोसेस होते, रिपीटेडली डिवायडेड होते, आणि 8 cells which are produced there, the octant that is produced there. So now here this is known as, and this division, the plane of the division is right angle to each other. म्हणजे सभोवताल तुम्ही पाहिलं तरी त्या सगळ्या अँगलनी तुम्हाला त्या सेल्स दिसणार आहेत. सो नाव हियर द प्लेन ऑफ डिव्हिजन which is right angle to each other. So now here इथे ऑक्टेंट प्रोड्यूस झालेला आहे, इथे नंतर मग पुन्हा डिव्हिजन झालेलं आहे, अशा प्रकारचं स्ट्रक्चर तुम्हाला याच्यामध्ये दिसतं. हे आहे सस्पेन्सर, त्याच्यानंतर दिस इज द हायपोफायसिस, दिस इज द हिस्टोरियम, and these are the cells of the suspensor which are transversely arranged there. So now here this is the octant stage of this embryonal initial to this formation of. आता याच्यामधल्या ज्या अप्पर टायर आहे आणि लोअर टायर, अप्पर टायर मध्ये 4 सेल आहे आणि लोअर टायर मध्ये 4 सेल आहे. मग अप्पर टायरच्या 4 सेल्स काय प्रोड्यूस करतात आणि लोअर टायरच्या सेल्स काय प्रोड्यूस करतात. अप्पर टायर cells now produces the plumule that also produces the cotyledon, and the lower tier that develop the hypocotyle and the radicle. You know that what is a hypocotyle? Hypocotyle, it is a part of the embryo axis below the cotyledon, that is present below the cotyledon, and one of the term that is also there, that is known as a epicotyle. It is also the stalk of the embryo, it is also the stalk of the it is also known as a stem, also stem axis also. And in during this cell germination, you know that this plumule, that is the epicotyle, and which present above the cotyledon. Epicotyle present above the cotyledon and hypocotyle present below the cotyledon. So now here from the lower tier of the 4 cells which develops into काय प्रोड्यूस करतात ते हायपोकोटाइल and the radicle. You know that in the embryo axis, what are the parts which are present here? In the embryo axis, the plumule is there, then the radicle is there, and hypocotyle and epicotyle, that is also the present, and the 2 cotyledons are present if the seed is a dicot. But in a monocot, only 1 cotyledon is present, that is known as the scutellum. So in this way now the organs which are produced, because this octant divides again and to produce the organ. So now in this upper tier मधनं जे प्ल्युमिल प्रोड्यूस होतं आणि अप्पर टायर मधनं जे cotyledons produce होतात, which again the development takes place there and which form this type of the shape, due to which now the slight curvature which is also the form here, you can see here the slight curvature which is also there, and now here the blue cotyledon hypocotyle labeling is which is also the here, and this is a radicle. So this is a now the some plumils which are also there. So this is about this heart shape structure. Now after this octant, this development takes place, and this development also form the heart-like structure, and then which forms such a type of the horseshoe shaped structure. This structure, it is a horseshoe shaped structure. This structure, it is a heart shaped structure. याच्यामध्ये पूर्ण डेव्हलपमेंट झालेली नाही आहे, पण ते हॉर्सशू शेप स्ट्रक्चर आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये पूर्ण डेव्हलपमेंट दिसते तुम्हाला, पूर्ण प्रकारे कॉटिलिडन आणि अशा प्रकारे तो एम्ब्रियो इथे प्रोड्यूस झालेला आहे. त्याच्यानंतर मोनोकॉटिलिडनस सीड्समध्ये, व्हॉट हॅपन इन मोनोकॉटिलिडनस सीड, हे जे स्ट्रक्चर आपण बघितलेलं आहे डायकॉटिलिडनस सीड्स आहेत, याच्यामध्ये सुद्धा काही डायग्राम्स आहेत. दे आर ऑलरेडी गिव्हन इन युअर बुक, सॉफ्टवेअर स्टँडर्ड बुक, न्यू बुक. त्याच्यामध्ये इतकं मला वाटते गरज नाही आहे. यू कॅन अंडरस्टँड फ्रॉम दिस डायग्राम ऑल्सो क्लिअरली. सो नाव हिअर, बट इन मोनोकॉट, व्हॉट हॅपन इन दिस मोनोकॉट, इन अ मोनोकॉटिलिडनस सीड only one cotyledon is present there, that is known as a scutellum, and this scutellum which is also the surrounded by the plumule and that is the radicle. Then this plumule, the plumule that present the lateral of the scutellum. This diagram I could not draw here the diagram of this monocot seed, but that is given in your book. All the diagrams which are given there related to the development of monocot embryo. So here in this monocot embryo, only the one cotyledon is there, that is known as a scutellum. It is a shield-shaped structure, and at the lateral side of this shield-shaped structure, the plumils which are present there. And now the plumule that is also the covered by the sheet-like covering, that is known as a coleoptile. And again, this radicle which is again covered by a sheet-like structure, that is known as a coleorhiza. So you can see this type of the structure in the monocotyledonous seed. एम्ब्रियो आणि एंडोस्पर्म हा 2 पार्ट्स तुम्हाला मोनोकॉटिलिडनस सीड मध्ये क्लिअरली दिसतो, आणि त्याच्या एम्ब्रियो मध्ये यू कॅन सी दिस टाइप ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर. So now here today you have studied about this development of this embryo. So I finished the development of embryo.